your MC number?
It's 161.
Your MC must be brand new.
Okay. Is that
I'm guessing it is.
Yeah, is that a problem?
We need 90 days active authority.
90 days.
Yeah, so
Okay.
yeah.
Thanks
So
for
once you have 90 days, please reach back out to us. We'll be happy to get you set up on a load.
Sounds good. Well, thank you very much for your help.
Great. Thank you. You have a great day.
You too. Bye. Hello, can you hear me?
Hello, this is... Yes, how may I help you?
Hi, I'm calling about a load that you guys have posted, but can you check my MC number first just to see if we can...
Can I have your MC?
Yeah, it's 161.
You guys are not set up with Coyote, sir.
Okay, can we get set up?
It shows on the FMCFA that you guys are not authorized, or you guys have your authority for less than 30 days. That's explained it.
Oh, okay. All right, I'll see what's going on. But
Yeah, we need at least we need you guys at least 30 days authority. So I think you guys only get it last month, right?
yeah.
Yeah, so we need 30 days authority in order for you to set up with Coyote, sir.
Okay. Well, thank you for your help, sir.
You're welcome.
Okay, bye.
Hello, this is Michael.
Hi, calling about your load for the 11th out of Illinois to Rochelle, Illinois to Plain, Illinois.
Okay. What's your MC?
It's 161.
No, sir. Let me pass on this option.
What's the problem? Okay. Nice. I see. Let me try these guys.
Sorry, sir. We cannot use this MC since it's pretty new.
Okay. What's the how old does the authority have to be?
6 months, and the least you have to get one inspection.
I see. Okay. Thanks for help. Okay, this is it. That's another thing that I've been trying to talk about in some of my videos, but this I think was a good example to show you what you can expect when you get a brand new MC number. So if you have your own truck and thinking about starting MC your own authority right now, so I would definitely consider this. And I spoke in few videos about other things that you should consider when you're starting a new trucking authority. But this is a big thing. Most companies, most brokers will not want to work with you. It's going to be an average of like 3 to 6 months. Once your authority ages, then they will work with you. But then like this one, like the last one, a lot of brokers will say this, like you have to have one inspection on your file from the DOT or 3 inspections, a lot of different new things that they're coming up with. The only brokers that will work with you is TQL. And C.H. Robinson will work on some loads. Some loads they will not work with you because their customers might require something special. But TQL and C.H. Robinson, it's going to be it for the next few months, just so you know. So if you have your own semi-truck and if you're looking to get leased onto someone who does have authority, who has had the authority for a long time, check out neverstoptruck.in and check out options. We can also dispatch you if you have your own authority. But if you're thinking of getting one, think about getting leased on to someone. And since you know me from this channel, you know the way we book loads, Emro and I and Chris, then you can work with us if you're interested. Remember, we only work with semi-trucks, and it can be a dry van, reefer, or flatbed. Check out neverstoptruck.in. My name is Enis. Thanks for watching, and come back for more.